What's up, everyone, and welcome to Agent Tips. This is a channel where we dive into real, hands-on projects to help you, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, build your very own AI agents. And speaking of powerful agents, today I'm really excited to dive into some significant advancements to a tool I know many of us rely on, the Gemini command line interface, or the Gemini CLI. For anyone who might be new to it, think of the Gemini CLI as your AI-powered copilot living right inside your terminal. It's a brilliant open-source agent that uses a reason and act loop, which is just a fancy way of saying it can think about a problem and then use built-in tools like grep or even the terminal itself to figure out complex tasks. It absolutely shines with coding, but honestly, it's a powerhouse for all sorts of general tasks too. All right, so the team over at Google has been busy. Let's talk about some of the key enhancements, starting with the quality of life improvements you'll actually feel. First up, a small but mighty one, you can now hit the escape key to exit the privacy screen if it ever gets stuck. Super simple, super smooth. And for those of us who love a bit of personalization, there's a brand new Shades of Purple theme. They've also added support for the VSCodium editor, opening it up for more developers. They've also focused heavily on clarity, improving how tool calling errors are handled, making it clearer when a project ID is needed, and just generally making the whole setup process less of a headache. Now, not all improvements are on the surface. A ton of work has gone into the engine. They've refactored code to get rid of duplicate imports and cleaned up non-actionable debug logs, giving you a faster, more responsive experience. And maybe the biggest technical lift, the CLI has been upgraded to Ink 6 and React 19, and they've squashed some pesky circular dependencies. That's huge for stability and paves the way for some really cool features. You know, seeing these kinds of iterative, powerful improvements is exactly why I started this channel. If you're getting value from this and you're passionate about building your own AI agents, whether you're just starting out or you're a pro, consider hitting that subscribe button right now. With us, you'll get more handy, hands-on projects to create your very own agents. Let's build them together. Okay, now for what I think is the most exciting development, one that's a true game changer for collaborative coding. They have re-enabled the Gemini Code Assist PR Review Bot. For anyone not deep in Git every day, a pull request, or PR, is how developers propose changes to code. So what does this bot do? Imagine this. You submit your PR, and almost instantly the bot jumps in. It provides an automated summary, runs code analysis, checks for quality, and gives intelligent feedback right in the pull request. The impact is massive. It means more efficient code reviews, better consistency, and a fundamentally faster way to collaborate. And they've already integrated it with their main branch, so this is live. So when you put it all together, these updates show their deep commitment to making the Gemini CLI an indispensable part of our developer toolkit. And that's the kind of tech we love to see.
So, after hearing about all of this, you're probably asking, how do I get these updates? Well, we've made it incredibly easy. If you have Gemini CLI globally installed on your machine, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Ubuntu, it's designed to be smart about it. The next time you run Gemini from your terminal, it will automatically display a prompt telling you that a new version is available. It's that simple. It lets you know itself. But if you don't see that prompt for some reason, or if you just want to update manually, you can easily do it with a single command. Just type npm install-g at google/Gemini-CLI. That's npm install-g at google/Gemini-CLI. Running that command will grab the latest version and get you all the new features we've talked about today.
Seriously, if you're excited about building your own agents and want more real hands-on project breakdowns just like this one, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. Here at Agent Tips, we are all about empowering you to build the future one agent at a time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.